Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can insert the application symbol in Microsoft Word. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So first is we need to open Microsoft Word. To go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match. Click on the blank document. Now, once you're in this window, you need to look at the ribbon at the top and you will find all these tabs: File, Home, Insert, Draw, Design, Layout, References, Mailings, Review, a View, Help, and Acrobat tab. But what we can do is we need to click on the third tab, which is the Insert tab. And here you will find icons. Insert an icon, click on that, and this window will appear. So since we are going to insert the application symbol, so in order not to scroll down and look for that, we just need to simply search for it. Simply type location, and then this will appear from here. So this is the first option, and this is the commonly used location symbol. Since it is a map location symbol, click on that and click on insert. Now this is inserted. What you can do, you can also change the color of this one. You have here the graphics field. Click on this drop down arrow and then choose the color that you want. Graphics outline, you can also choose that from here. You can increase the weight of the outline. Graphics effects, you can also choose that. And that's it. That's how you can easily add a application symbol in Microsoft Word, and just simply type your word in here or your location. You can also increase or decrease the size by just moving these circles. And that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.